Hello friends, myself CA Vikram Kumar. What if I say that I have tried to compile various links of ICI relating to its CA members at one place? Sounds great, right? Many of the members would aware of these links, but if I say there are 70 plus links relating to the members, and some of these links you may also not aware of it. I have provided all these links in the video description. Do copy these links and make use of it. Also share this video to your friends and other CA members. I would quickly brief about these various links. So without wasting our time, let's begin. First, I would start with the online webinars. During this pandemic period, ICI is conducting various online webinars. You would have received mails or you would have come to know about through any WhatsApp group. There is a link for this where various compilation of various announcements web hosted for CA members, students and ICA employees in the wake of COVID-19 is provided here. You can also check all the upcoming programs in cpica.org website. If you scroll down, you will see all the upcoming programs of these webinars. You can click on this view details, wherein the details of this webinars has been provided. If you click on this ICAIs, where you can post your queries before the webinar has been started. Next, if you want to search through a region-wise webinars, if you want to search this, you can search this through region-wise. For example, if you click on this Southern India Regional Council, then this SIRC website will open. If you click on this forthcoming programs of SIRC, you can find the list of forthcoming programs of SIRC here. You have to just log in here. Before that, you have to register it. You can log in and register for that webinar. Next is the SSP portal, self-service portal, where members and students are getting registered. Existing members who don't have login details can click here and register themselves. They will be approved. After getting approved, you have to log in here. This website is mainly for making online payment of your membership fee. You can check your details, your article registration, termination, etc. If you click here in the FAQs or user manuals, you can check for these FAQs user manuals for SSP portals. Next is the Digital Learning Hub. You can check here. You can explore this website. You have to sign up and log in it. You can check here. For login, the same login ID has to be used which are you using for SSP portals. This one. So you have to use the same login ID for Digital Learning Hub also. You can scroll down and see various courses available in this website. So during this pandemic period, this concurrent audit of banks, forensic audit, etc. has been conducted in this website. You can check this in this website. You can freely learn about these courses also. For example, your annual return form 9 is there. You can subscribe it and you can learn about GSTN 9. So there are many available courses in this website is there. By doing this course also, you will get CPRs, both structured and unstructured. So next is the earlier this pqca.ici.org website was there, where you have to register for any course. So earlier I had registered my FFD course in this website, but now they have come up with this Digital Learning Hub, wherein you can register here itself. So you can still find some data in this, any FAQs related to that course, or any materials also will be available here related to that course. So you can check in this also. So this is pqc.ici.org. So next is this cpapp.ici.org, wherein our CPERs can be checked, both structured and unstructured. So this is your membership number. You have to key in here and your password and log in it. So you can check this CPRs in this website. The only thing I have to say is, when you go to this CP website, you will find your CP advisory. If you click this, you can check this detail regarding this CP advisory and unstructured learning activities. In this, it has been mentioned that to encourage more members accessing the ICS Digital Learning Hub, 20% of mandatory minimum unstructured hours should be completed through ICA Digital Learning Hub. That is this website called Digital Learning Hub. You have to complete 20 hours through unstructured learning, 20%, sorry, 20% of minimum unstructured CPRs. And also for the unstructured activities undertaken through ICA Digital Learning Hub, the CPRs will be automatically credited through learning.ica.org, that is from DLH, Digital Learning Hub. So this you can kind of note of it. So next is UDIN. UDIN generally we take as for certificates, audit reports and all. So this is the website for UDIN, and you can log in here, your username and password, enter the caption and log in it. When you click on this FAQs, you can check this FAQs also for UDIN. So next is the Professional Development Committee website. This is called pdici.org, wherein you can find all these websites links in at one place, like UDIN, MEF, then relating to now NBFC, any opportunities for CAs. So all links will be here also. You can log in here also. You have to sign up and log in this website. This is one another website, pdici.org. Next is the MEF, mefici.org, wherein you will register for your bank audits and all. So this is the direct link for login. You can go to this home page also. Next is the CAG audit, wherein you apply for the CNDJ audit empanelment. Here you have to apply your ID and password for applying it. So this is care.cag.gov.in. Next is to trace a member. Like you can give your membership number and the CAPTCHA code and just submit it. You will find the details of a member. And if you want to find a list of firms, so this is the link where all sole proprietorship firms, partnership firms and all will be here, which is region wise, southern, eastern, central and northern. So you can check this link also. Next is this idtc.ici.org. This is for GST and India Tax Committee formed this website. You can find here this background materials for GST and all in this website. The GST course details will be also there in this. So this will be very useful. Here you can find this background material, FAQs and all, PPTs and all. So for GST it will be very useful. So next is this insolvency professionals of ICI. This is a CA website for insolvency professionals, which is iipici.in. This is for professionals who are doing insolvency course. They have to register here. Next is this registered valuer course for ICI. This ICI registered valuer organization, which is icirvo.in. So those members who are doing this valuation courses, they have to register in this website. Next is any other courses which members want to do. They can find here like members post qualification courses. In the top itself is there. When you click there, this page will open. Here you can see this courses offered by ICI. This is this DRM ISA. These courses are there. But if you click on this course offered by ICI, you find various other courses also. So like GST, forensic audit and fraud detection, concurrent audit of banks, etc. So many links are there. When you click on this link, you will find about this certificate course. So next is online payments which you make for your membership fee or any course related. You can check this online payment by clicking on this giving details on transaction reference number or payment receipt number and download it. If you want to download that receipt, you can view details of this also. Any certificate courses or you have done, you have to pay any fee for any course, you can go directly here itself. So this is the link for this online payments related, ccm.ici.org. So next we move on to empanelment. This is the link where all empanelments you can find here. Well, C&AJ, UDIN, any ICI has given any empanelment, it will be announced here. So you can check this link for any empanelments. Next is this empanelment as a counselor for registering online. You can check this website app.ccg.ici.org. so this you can, as a counselor you can register here. Next is the examination for members. So any course which you are doing of ICI, so relating to this examination link is there, so you can check all these examinations details here, and results will be also announced here. This is for observers, those members who want to empanelment as an observer, they can check this and apply for the same. Next is this empanelment as an examiners for chartered accountants examinations. You can check this. Members who are interested in this empanelment can check this link, and you have to click here, empaneling yourself as an examiner. So details have been given here. So what are the documents required, and address has been given, and details has been given, like honorarium also been given there. So this you can check for empanelments as an examiner. Next is this ICI Cloud Campus related to CA course. This is the website. Then this is called Quality Review Board. So qrbca.in. So this is the website for Quality Review Board. The same for internal audit also is there. So internal audit standards board. So internalaudit.ici.org. So this is the website for internal audit board. Next is this accounting standards related link. So all the accounting standards you can find here. You can check for guidance notes also. In any study and research papers, technical guides and other materials, it's been provided in this link. So if you click on guidance notes, the guidance notes will be there related to ICI. Next is this regulatory. So know your rules and regulations of ICI. So rules made by the central government and the Chartered Accountants Acts and Regulations. You can check all these regulatory requirements in this link. Next is this memorandum of understanding signed with all the foreign bodies. So a list has been given here. So any member who want to do any foreign courses can check these links. Next is this list of universities recognizing CA qualification for pursuing PhD. So any member who is interested in PhD can check this link. So next is this chartered accountants who are interested in civil services. So link has been provided here. So you can click this link and apply for that. Next is this details of member with specialized qualifications like DIRM, DISA, FAFD and concurrent audit of banks. They can check the members who have done these courses. So list has been provided in this links. So next is this CSR Committee of ICI, Corporate Social Responsibility. So csr.ici.org. You can check this website for that. And next is this notifications. So ICI releases many notifications. So all the notifications you will find here. So you can check the pages also here. You can check all these notifications related to ICI. So next is this ICICDS.org, wherein all members' publications or students' publications has been provided. Mementos, diaries, etc. has been here. You can order from here also. Members' ties has been provided. If you click on this, you can find various details also here. So this is the website where you can order it. The tracking and all will also be provided also. Next is this free download online publications. So any member interested in reading this can download it for free. Many links has been provided. You can check these links also. Next is this ICI mobile app. So 4 links has been provided for Google Play, iTunes, Windows Phone Store and BlackBerry App World. So you can click this link and download this ICI Now mobile app to update your knowledge. Social websites of ICI: Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube or LinkedIn. So all these links has been provided here. So if you click any of these links, it will directly take to that page. So you can subscribe to this social medias also. Next is ICITV.com, wherein all these webinars and all will be posted here. So here you can find these all videos of ICI. So you can check these videos also. So this is ICITV.com. Next is any queries by members which are related to SSP portal, can click here and raise ticket here. So they have to log in here. This is this help.ici.org where they log in and ask their queries about SSP portal or anything. And next is this good standing certificate. This has been newly brought into it. So anybody want to get a certificate from ICI, so register for good standing certificate, they can apply here. They can check the status also here. Next is the contribution for Chartered Accountants Benevolent Fund. This is CABF. So any contribution, any members want to do it, they can check this link. This is the intimation form wherein demise of the member can be given here. Details has to give and that's date has been to be uploaded. This is the do not disturb, wherein you don't want to receive any SMS or mail from any third party. You can give your details so that you will not receive that messages and all. This is e-journals of ICI. Where you want to study any e-journals of ICI, you can click on this link and you can check these journals also. This is the new e-form 1 which has been brought up now. Any complaint you want to make to ICI, you can check this form. With proof you have to submit these details. So this is the web link they have given. So you can check this also. Next is this job portals. So any job portals you want to check, you can check this link wherein job portals and placements links they are given. So you can click this link and you check this job portals and all. So next is this portal for senior members of ICI. It is seniormembers.ici.org. So any senior members can check this website. Also there is a website for women's. So this is the website for women members, womenportal.ici.org. So they are given this website for women's also. And also this young members empowerment group of CCBMP. So any young members can register here also. You can check this website also, ymec.in. So this is the link for FAQs for members located outside India. So they can check this FAQs for them. So this is the link. They are given many FAQs here. So this is the link for committee for members in practice. So you can scroll down and check the details. You can check here this various details has been given, initiatives has been taken by this committee for members in practice. So like antivirus software is there, Quick Heal antivirus software, LIC term insurance is there, New India Assurance Company Limited insurance is there, and any softwares like Tally, XBRL, GST softwares. So ICI has made various tie-up with the other companies. So you can check this also. Here it is this like antivirus software at special price for members and students. This is up to 31st December 2020. So it costs about 1200, a special discounted price of rupees 1200 till 31st December 2020. So you can check this about. You have to mail your details for the coupon code. So coupon code for antivirus software. Just check this also. Here it is this LIC term insurance for members. So you can avail LIC term insurance services also, and their details has been given here. This is for both member and his spouse. So you can check this also. This is the website for New India Assurance Company Limited, ici.newindia.ca.in. Here health insurance, motor insurance, like personal accident insurance, household insurance can be done at discounted price actually. So check this website also. This is the PDF available in ICA website. There is a official directory of 2020-21 ICA official directory. You can go through these details. If you want any details from this, you can check it out. Next is this opportunity, ICA opportunities for chartered accountants. So this recently has been brought out. You can check this. If you scroll down, you can see this opportunities which has been provided to CA members, like research. Any research has to be done in like international research about 2020. So this is that doctoral scholarship scheme is there. Uh, so for this, ICA will provide this amount also. You can develop MCQs. So if you check this, for core papers of ICA courses like MCQs, you can develop it here. So this is the details here for MCQs. You can check this link, and also you can develop case studies in elective papers at final level. So this is the link for case studies. So all the details has been given here. So you can check this link. And next is this ebook on statutory bank branch audit. So next is this ebook on sample checklist on SAS. This is standard on account auditing. So wherein they have given all the details. So you can check this checklist also. So it will be very useful for members. And finally, this revised minimum recommended scale of fees for professional assignment done by chartered accountants. So this is the PDF they are given here. So you can check this also. So details has been given here. So members, we have come to an end. So all the links has been provided in the description. So kindly copy those links and make use of it. If you like this video, kindly share this video to your friends and other members also. Thank you. All the links has been provided in the description. So kindly copy those links and make use of it. If you like this video, kindly share this video to your friends and other members also. Thank you.